Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create a schedule event on the Discord. So this is the new feature by the Discord. Now you can schedule your event before it's happening. So how you can basically do it, so watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Discord. Okay, once you will search for it, you have to update your Discord application first. Once you will update it from here, now go back and open your Discord application. Once you will do it, after that you have to select any server from here. Then you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Once you will tap on it, here you will see create event. Tap on it and here you have to select voice channel or somewhere else, so you have to tap on the voice channel and it's a journal. Now click on the next and here you have to enter the topic. Let's suppose gaming meeting, and here you have to give the description and start date of your event. Let's suppose I want to start this event on the 25 October, so you have to click on it and now here you have to enter the description and you can also change the time of it. It's when your event starts, so let's say it's 1 p.m. Okay, now click on the next and click on the create event. Once you will click on the create event, your event will be scheduled and it will start on the October 25 on the 1 p.m. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.